And I'm Money Mike,
And
and this is Manic Money Finance.
yes, once
So,
again, we have another win.
what do we? I mean, the audience is gonna get bored of this, Mike. We gotta probably start losing some trades to make this a little bit more interesting.
I mean,
Can't
I
always be winning. It's it's hard to win so much. You're gonna say, "Crypto Corey, I'm tired of winning," and I'll say, "No, you need to win more."
basically like saying I'm tired of making money.
Uh, Please stop! I'm making too much money. I can't handle all of it.
uh, make
And
sure
I'll
you
say, no, you have to keep going. You have to keep winning.
make sure you pay your taxes.
That too.
We're all about that, paying your taxes here on the Manic Money Finance channel.
Yeah, you better. You better do that or it's not gonna be good. We got
Oh, dude, the
um
audio levels are perfect.
nice.
Oh yeah, yeah. Streamlabs is amazing, dude. I'm gonna give them their flowers.
We are not sponsored yet, but if Streamlabs just so happen to want to sponsor, we would not be against it.
Share it to the.
Yeah, this is oh yeah, we got isn't Memorial Day coming up here soon?
Is it tomorrow?
No, I think it's next week.
It's the last Sunday of the month.
Yeah. I get the day off, a paid day off, which is nice.
Nice.
Yeah, it's the 25th.
Okay, yeah, that's 7 days from now, or
Next Monday.
8 days from now. Yeah, yeah, it makes sense. I hate when the stock market is closed, dude.
Why?
I still have to work on the federal, most of the federal five. Now, like 9. Used to be a federal 5, but now it's like federal 9. We have a June,
Unreal.
etc.
I wish I had those holidays. We don't get any of those holidays.
Yeah, you definitely get the federal 5. That's Easter,
Oh.
Christmas,
Yeah, I think that's all we get. Christmas, New Year's, Memorial Day,
Easter,
Thanksgiving.
Labor Day. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. But
Oh man.
it's like if you work subcontractor or if you work in a random field for a small private company, you're gonna be working Columbus Day. You're gonna be all those other holidays that people get off. Yeah, you're working them.
Martin Luther King Day, you
Yep.
know.
Yeah. Percent. Oh man. So I think the first thing we should do is bring up the trading view chart because our Bitcoin short played out beautifully. And we have to show these people that we know exactly what we're talking about. Because me and Corey, many of you might not know that me and Corey wanted to post our NASDAQ and Bitcoin trade from like 5 or 6 days ago. Because it just absolutely made us a ridiculous amount of money. Holy crap! Bitcoin is at 77,000.
Yeah, it's jumping down now.
What the fuck?
I
Dude,
told y'all.
that is.
Did I tell you?
I've
Yeah,
been
but I
working all
was kind of
weekend.
watching it.
This is the first
Oh.
weekend that I've worked
Well, it's
since.
basically within the last yeah, like 5 minutes is just completely started dropping. Let's go and enter into a short right quick. See
Okay,
what happens.
that's bold.
And then we'll put a stop on the other side of the inefficiency So basically risking $1,000 here. Nothing too crazy. Small trade. But yeah, let's keep on. Keep on keeping on.
Damn. Damn, dude. That is a beautiful trade. So
Yeah, crazy, right?
anybody who knows TradingView knows that blue arrow is where we started the short sell, and that red arrow is where it sold. Correct?
Right, and you can see all our positions there.
The red arrow is where it sold at the top there. The blue arrow is where it covered.
Yeah, I think we did the other one on Coinbase. So the red arrow is where we got in, and the blue arrow is where we it's a buy because to close a short you have to buy the position. You know what I'm saying?
That is. What was the profit from that?
It was like $1,000 or something like that. Let me look. We got our balance history. It was like 839.
Nice.
Yeah, typically, yeah. I mean, we shoot for like around $1,000. Sometimes we'll do a bigger trade, but yeah, right now it's looking like it's tanking. It's really, I mean, yeah, it's Sunday. Yeah, it's like what, almost 8 o'clock for you guys over there.
7:45.
Yeah, this is typical. You know, we have our stream on Sunday night, and Bitcoin likes to move Sunday nights. Every time we get on the stream Sunday night, we see it moving.
Unless it's going down. That is crazy, dude. Has plummeted.
Yeah, and honestly, it's not that crazy because we've been talking about this for like almost a month now.
Oh yeah.
And told you guys, we told you, and I feel sorry for anybody who doubted us. They were like, "Yeah, these guys are just who do they think they are? Saying Bitcoin's gonna go down. Ah, I'm gonna buy more." I mean, that's not a bad idea, right? But personally, I am waiting for a better entry.
It's an ugly.
Yeah, this looks like a top. That's what that looks like. And it's about to crater. Like hardcore crater. Like this thing's gonna take all the stop losses. And what do I mean by that? All you gotta do, go into your charts and take a line. And okay, stop losses are there. Got stop loss there. Got stop loss under here. Got stop loss under there, right? I'm pretty sure, yeah, we're going to the 60s, guys.
And that's not even
Break,
that crazy.
right? I mean, it'd be nice, crazy short for sure. Hell yeah.
But it's summertime. The volume is low.
Seasonal tendencies.
Yep. Like it takes till September. And I'm watching the live chart right now, and it is definitely gonna dump under 77,000 while we're on.
It's cratering.
Yeah, no, no, it is that simple. If you see, there was a giant frowny face, basically printing money in front of your eyes, and if you buy right now and go long, you're basically fighting the trend of the market.
Right? You're basically gambling. That's all you're doing. You're gambling.
Yeah, you're one of the few that thinks this thing is going to rebound in the moment, even though we are, what, 33% less than the all time high? Like, it makes no
Yeah,
sense.
let's see what that is.
The all-time high is 125K. You see this thing trading right now with a big old head and shoulders and a big old frowny face in front of your eyes
They're like 50%.
of the all-time high?
That was like 125.
Yeah.
It's closer to 50%.
Yeah, I'm the R word. That's easy math too. Oh, you might see a little pop, little consolidation.
Walk it like I talk it, right?
Oh yeah, price goes to the upside, but still, this is perfect. 11 minutes stock market.
Look at this daily chart. Just yeah, that looks like it's coming. It's coming for you.
Oh yeah,
It'd be interesting. Yeah, 786 would be 68,000, 69,000. You know?
the 786.
Yep. Basically 69,000.
Oh yeah,
Oh, yeah, this current little pop up, the little pop up that everybody was saying, oh, Bitcoin's going back up. It's going to make all time highs. While we're sitting here for months with an S telling you, don't fall for this. It's going to trick everybody out. And what's it doing right now? It's doing that same exact thing.
yeah. The 10-day is never gonna cross that 200-day moving average, and it is going to plummet.
Look like I'm making a flag right now. It's gonna go some more.
Air flag, bull
Yeah.
flag.
Yeah, it's just basically a bear flag is the same thing as a bull flag, just flipped upside down. You know? We'll see. I don't know. But yeah, we're anticipating some violence on the stream here tonight. Glad you guys joined in. It looks like it wants blood.
Yeah, because at 8:30, it's probably gonna reverse.
It just goes sideways
Yeah,
too.
the Asian markets take over on Sunday night at 30 p.m. and opposite of wherever it has been moving for the past hour, which is to the upside. So 40 minutes. Muko money.
See what's coming up for economic data
Yes.
this week. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Yeah, basically, FOMC minutes are on Wednesday.
Yeah.
So
So it's basically a standard third week month. Just a nothing burger. So it's gonna be
yeah.
yeah, it's gonna be news driven.
Well, we're getting more of the monthly candle. See how the candle is now turned into a hammer candle? So this giant wick is
Cannot see
also. Oh yeah, I'm on the stupid thing.
it.
Gotta go to this. Yeah, the monthly chart now has this candle, which is a bearish candle. It has this big old wick and a little body here. So it opened and it traded all the way up to 82,800. And now it's been pulling all the way back. So this is an entire month in this candle right here.
That's crazy, dude.
And now if this turns red,
Black.
it's gonna be pretty bad. Like this is gonna this will, if this candle closes even like this, that's saying, yeah, this is a dead cat bounce, and it's about to wreck some people. And once again, I think we discussed this at some point. I can't remember, but it's making a big old head and shoulders, right? And what would the, if we break the neckline, was the target? Not saying that this is actually gonna be the case, right? But $8,000 Bitcoin,
That would,
how crazy would that be?
I mean, it would
Would
make
you buy
sense.
a Bitcoin for $8,000?
The income potential from a drop like that would be absolutely in. At that point, I would say buy every share of MicroStrategy that you can, buy every Bitcoin you can, put a second mortgage on your house. Not financial advisors.
Yeah, by the way, we're not financial advisors. Nothing we say here should be misconstrued as financial advice. If you need a professional, which we are not, don't look on YouTube. How about that? You know?
Yeah, yeah. Call Merrill
Or if you,
Lynch.
yeah, and if you're already here and you're just here to have fun and learn and um pick up a new skill, well, that's what we're here for.
100%. Because at 13,845, Bitcoin does not make money anymore. It costs a lot of money to mine one Bitcoin.
Yeah, so stuff like this, guys, when you see a pattern, it's like you can't really say, "Oh, it's gonna actually play out the way." I mean, like the chances of that happening is like probably like one in a trillion, billion. How about a million? Trillion? No. Yep, a trillion's more than a million, numbnuts. Scott, I don't want to hear it.
That was accurate. Odds call.
Right?
I feel like 46 about as low as it can go right now. Or miners start shutting off their rig.
Yeah, that would be the where we were actually talking about for this flag to come and wreck people. So, what's going to happen, which would be interesting, right, to see if this actually plays out, my theory. So, once again, it's like a chess game. We're anticipating the moves for the opponent, and we're anticipating for this head and shoulders pattern to be printed. Once this neckline breaks, you got to have all the retail traders saying, "Oh, going down, it's going down." And it's going to actually go to $8,000, you know, like they'll believe that. As, you know, they're retail traders and they put they put all their eggs in one basket and they're saying, "Yep, this pattern's definitely going to play out." So as soon as it does that and it breaks the line, guess what they do? They go short. And then what does the market do? It reverses on them. And it wrecks them again. So taking the stop losses of this bull flag for everybody who was too greedy to sell their position and thought that we were going to $1 million or $500,000 Bitcoin. Yep, they're still sitting down here and they're about to give all that money back, which is going to be the liquidity we need to go back to new all-time highs. That's my theory.
Makes sense. Yeah,
And it'd be
my whole thing is like if it takes 25 to 40 grand to mine one Bitcoin, we're not gonna get below.
You never know, though. Can never say never.
This is true. Yeah.
Especially if they pull some crap with regulation, which would be interesting because they've been wanting to do that for a while. That could be something that really makes it tumble.
I mean, oil did sell negative per barrel for a couple days in 2020. You could have literally bought barrels of oil and got paid for it in 2020.
They're paying you to come pick it up. Come on down.
It is insane. The times we live.
Yeah, it's clown world for sure.
I don't think that's gonna happen with. It's just too. So when you have something like this that's economically dependent, I feel like that's almost more stable. Actual physical commodities.
Hmm.
Crazy as that sounds, live in a digital world. Yeah. So like we hit 40K Bitcoin, there's gonna be too many people willing to buy it for it to stay down there for that long. Epic opportunity.
That's what we're getting here, Mike. I mean, we got a lot of big opportunities coming up in the near future. Is there any stocks, anything that our viewers should be looking out for?
I'll be honest with you, bro. You know exactly what my position was last weekend. 100% full porting in com. Got overnight trade. Opened up 30.
What is the Supercom ticker?
SP.
CB. Yeah.
It's probably has not moved.
Yeah, I mean, it's the stock market's been closed, so
Yeah, 8 p.m. they open overnight trading, but if it isn't a stock that has a ton of volume, like there will be overnight. Almost kind of nice. Have to
hmm.
with
Interesting.
Iran war heating back up again.
Yeah, it's more BS. And it's like, oh, I had to buy a truck, didn't I? You know, or gas. Like $80 to fill my tank.
80?
Yeah,
What size is the gas tank on that
like 15, 20 gallons, I think. Yeah,
thing?
20
Okay,
gallons.
same as mine.
Yeah.
Oh
And
yeah.
like gas here in Tempe is like 5 and change.
What?
Yeah, dude, it's wonderful.
Dude, in Connecticut
Gas
right
prices
now it's
here is
like
crazy.
435.
Holy crap, dude. Yeah, it's like $1 more here.
I'm gonna look it up right quick because I haven't filled my gas tank. Uh, I haven't filled my
Yeah, I
gas
mean, you
tank
could
since
find like
last week.
Costco would probably have the best prices. I should be going there, but I'm just always so lazy. I'm like, ah, screw it. I'll just go to this gas station.
So Connecticut is 462 right now.
Hmm.
That's
Interesting.
crazy. That Phoenix, Arizona is more expensive than
Right? You would think it would be cheaper because we're like closer to the border and closer to Texas,
closer to the pumps, dude. The freaking
right?
wells.
The wells, you know. That's what I was getting at. And like the industry too. It's not like it's like the whole industry is like kind of in this west. So you'd be like, wouldn't it cost less to ship it and manufacture it and all this and that? Nope.
No,
Nope.
the
The
market prices hit you guys quicker because it's that much sooner out of the ground than here.
Hmm. Interesting.
Yeah, no, it's all it is. Basically, when they pump oil out of the ground, they're looking at the market price for oil at the time. So if you're closer to the wells right now, you're paying more than people who are farther away.
That's crazy.
Dude, it's insane. It makes no sense. But
Nothing makes sense anymore.
I'll take it.
Yeah, right?
I can go fill up right now for 462 a gallon.
Yeah, it's not that big of a difference.
No. I can look up. I'll look up my closest gas station. No. Right now, my closest gas station. God. Yep. No, that was a fail.
What? What happened?
I don't know how to look up gas
Oh,
prices.
call him up. Get the phone number. Like, get him on speaker right now.
I'll do it.
No, you won't.
Right now. Yeah.
Ringing like a Migo trap phone.
It's
Whoa.
it's Sunday night.
Sunday night at what? 8 o'clock. He's calling.
Oh, don't do this to me. Ah.
You probably think like, old people actually like call up the gas stations. Hi, sir. I was wondering how much is a gallon of your finest gas? Petrol.
Yeah, no. Exactly. Dude, I used to work at a gas station, a 7-Eleven that my dad owned, and I would answer the phone every time. Cause,
How many people ask what the
hi,
gas?
what's the price of your gas right now? Gas, if you're calling gas price time, our gas price time
You hear
not
it.
working right now, so it's price. The gas price regular is right now. 461? Okay. Yeah. Beautiful. Thank you very much. Dude, what did I say? 462?
Yeah. Good.
Oh god, that's the son of the owner, dude. He's like 20 years old. He's like 2 years
He's like,
out of
what the
high
fuck?
school. And he just, dude, 100%, he works that gas station for his mom and dad. They're Pakistani.
Nice.
Oh yeah, that's my local gas station.
That's your
461.
go-to. That's the go-to.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think gas was like 5 something.
If I wasn't drunk, I'd go fill up right now.
Right? Why not?
Be safe. Be responsible when you're drinking. Not go out driving.
Not worth it.
No. America. Go out in your backyard and shoot some guns.
While drinking beer. No, don't do that either.
I'm joking. Comedy. Oh, that's crazy, dude. That was like 1 penny off from the current market price in Connecticut.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. I
Pretty
love
good.
my local gas station. Oh, they have all my all the different vape flavors.
Huh.
Oh yes.
Yeah, I'm a grape man.
Grape. Nice.
Yeah, don't. Yeah, just leave it at that.
So I'm a watermelon ice or a polar ice guy.
Yeah, we don't do any graping here. He got graped.
So my coworker, the dude I work with, not my coworker, he's technically my boss, but he's also like my partner. He is a big grape guy as well.
It's funny because it's like the words have changed here in 2020. Graped. I mean, you know what that means. And like, what about goon? Like back in the 90s, like, yo, I'm the biggest goon you know, bro. I'm a goon. Like, bro. Ah. It's a different. It completely means a different thing now.
Oh, 100%. Oh, a gooner.
I'm the biggest goon you know, bro. You don't want to mess with me.
And you got that whole setup in front of you right now.
Right?
That's why I have the camera straight on. They can't see all my monitors.
Right? Why? You can't see my monitors, can you? I don't think so.
Is that a laptop open to your left?
No, it's notebook.
Oh Jesus, dude, it has been glowing this whole time. Is
Yeah, it's for the light.
that your trading notebook?
Yeah, just stuff I write down for notes too.
Nice.
Components I have to buy for my parachute to make it a wingsuiting parachute. Like researching that.
Yeah, that is life changing. That is, yeah. Want to make sure
Been
you
waiting.
have that down in pencil or pen, bro.
Oh yeah, and that too. But
Oh,
yeah, we'll have to decide on whether or not I'm gonna follow through with that. Of course, I'm gonna follow through with that.
yeah, of course you will.
Can't bitch out.
I already know you're gonna. I already know it's gonna be life changing in a good way.
Right. I mean, you do it the safe way. You know, base jump the safe way, learn it from the professionals, and take a very conservative approach to it. Not like try to like go jump advanced objects right after I take the course. I plan to do a lot of base jumps from the bridge until I get my system dialed in
Did
and
you
do it
watch?
safe.
You watch that base jump video I sent to you?
Which one? Let me see.
The one of the dude where he opened his chute and it immediately turned towards the cliff, threaded the front of his. That's
Oh yeah,
oh,
it's a that clip's been around for a while.
yeah. Oh,
Dude, he's
100%.
lucky he didn't even get hurt that bad.
No, I don't think he broke a single bone, dude. Like very aware, bounced off the cliff, like hit legs stuff away. I think he was actually all right. Like that search and rescue bill was probably insane. Got stuck.
You'd be surprised, depending on the county. In Moab, it's free, so you don't pay anything.
Are you kidding me?
All volunteers. Yeah.
What? In a
Isn't that
helicopter?
crazy? Yeah, and it's
Volunteers.
funded
That's yeah. Dude, they
through
are
a
just living
nonprofit.
for that shit. Like if it's volunteers, they are just living for.
Right? And it's also a lot of the people are involved with Pinal County Sheriff's Department.
Okay.
So
So
it's like they're part of it as well.
it's like a bunch of law enforcement people you up off the side of a cliff.
Yeah, right. And they'll be like, "All right, well, you're gonna get a ticket now." No,
Let me see your ID.
can't park there, sir. Right? Like
That's
fly up
hilarious.
next to you with the helicopter and like with the megaphone.
Yeah.
Sir, you need to move.
Let me see your hands.
Yeah. I'll have to find the clip of like the guy base jumps and he opens, has that 180, and he flies back into like a bush and gets stuck on. He's like hanging from the trees. Like some British guy's like, "Well, I reckon I need a helicopter now." He like really calm and like, dude, you just fucking almost died. He's just like, "Oh, this is unfortunate. I'm gonna need a helicopter."
It's but a flesh wound.
It's just a scratch.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Mm.
Oh, that's fun. Yeah, good times. Dude. Like honestly, when I'm trading, sometimes I feel like it would be a really good idea to actually think about stuff like that because it's like I'm risking my money, but at the same token, like jumping off the side of a cliff face and having something like that happen where you 180 back into the cliff 10 times worse than anything I've experienced trading.
Right?
It's nothing.
Oh, dude, I'll send you all the gnarly base jumping videos if you want. You want to go down that rabbit hole.
I've seen a
Watch,
few.
watch the documentary Bridges to Nowhere. It'll really put things into perspective of how serious the sport is.
Bridges to nowhere.
Yeah, it's like you want to be a base jumper. Well, yeah, watch that documentary first. You really understand what you're getting yourself into.
Oh, that's like a popular base jumping.
Video. It's a. I think it's like in Russian. So you're gonna have to like read subtitles through the whole thing,
Oh,
but
it's
it
not.
covers. Huh?
So there's a bridge to nowhere in California. Not what this is.
No, just put in bait. Bridges. I think that's what it's called.
Yep, it's on Reddit. Someone
Yeah,
died.
it's a violent documentary, so like it's probably gonna be hard to find on YouTube for sure.
Yeah, it's on Reddit.
You're gonna see some real carnage. So, and the stories that they talk about are pretty messed up.
So I haven't seen this in years. It's hard to watch, but should probably be mandatory viewing for anyone thinking about getting into bass.
Yep, mandatory. It's kind of like those videos like when you were in driver's ed and they showed you those drunk driving videos and carnage of that. Yeah.
So it's a bunch of crazy Russians that were jumping off of high things, and one of them died.
Oh, yeah, one of them died. Well, there's a number of stories that are in that documentary, and one of them was that I believe you know that chick that was in Yosemite that was doing that protest, and they were all
Yeah,
base jumping,
yeah.
and she was in like a jail suit, you know. She ended up borrowing a rig that was not hers because she was worried about getting caught, and then that they would steal her equipment. So she decided to borrow a rig that she was not familiar with, had a different system to deploy the parachute, which was a ripcord and was not a pilot chute. So she basically probably panicked and thought, I can't find my handle, and all the way to impact at terminal velocity. You're
Woo.
talking about pulling pieces of her organs and everything out of the trees. Like there was no body to recover. It was just yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's why they call wingsuiting the body bag. You know, if at least if you crash, it's gonna keep everything kind of contained. Yeah, it's messed up, right?
Yeah. Important to know that jumped about 3 days before they were going to allow people to base jump off of El Cap again, which is kind of insane. So basically, they were gonna let people jump off of El Cap again.
Don't say it, dude.
You, you know what I'm about to
Say
say.
it. We'll get banned straight away.
Oh, good times. Yep, you already know. You know.
It's it's a weird incident. I don't, and then person had a. It wasn't like this person was like inexperienced. Like this person had hundreds, if not thousands, of base jumps. This is a professional.
Yeah, that's crazy, dude. Oh, I can only imagine.
It'd be a crazy way to die, huh?
Yeah, pretty epic.
Yeah, it'd be epic. Your buddies would all talk about you forever.
Yeah. There's probably still dudes talking about her around the fire to this day.
In the documentary, like we're talking about her right now, dude.
Yeah. Yep.
Right? So
Touche.
there is that. Yeah.
Oh, dude, that video was wild to watch. She just kept going, and you're like, shoot's gonna open up now. Shoot's gonna open up now. Oh,
Nothing.
okay.
And the camera's like, yeah, we're not gonna watch that.
Yeah. Horrible cameraman.
Yeah, like, oh, dude. It's the money shit. No, that's fucked up. No, yeah. But it's like, it happens extremely fast in base jumping because there's no reserve, there's no way to fix anything. A no pull situation would be horrible. That would be terrible. I mean, it happens sometimes too.
Speaking of which, how is that Bitcoin short working out?
Do we stopped out?
I don't know. No, we did not stop out.
Probably in the negative, I would assume.
Barely. 77,139.
Oh, dude, we're up still.
Oh,
Yeah, we're
God.
basically break even.
That was a horrible joke. Going to hell for that joke.
Yeah, we're probably going. I'll probably. I'm not even gonna say it, but yeah.
Dude,
Nothing
I
to
make
joke.
jokes about the worst stuff. I make 9/11 jokes.
That would definitely get us demonetized for sure.
Knock
We'll
knock.
probably lose a huge, huge part of our audience along with it.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
9/11.
9/11 who?
You said you'd never forget. That's a PG.
I think that's what they're trying to do, though.
That's a PG
trying-
version. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
They're making everybody forget.
Yeah. We don't need to go.
And
into detail.
with this, we're gonna move on to the next topic.
Yep. Oh, well, it's funny because this is a Sunday night live stream, and it's like we kind of went over everything on Friday, and then we killed our trade once again, and like we literally hit the take profit, and it automatically sold, and we opened up another trade today, so we kind of have like not much to talk about because we were counting Iran war news, which definitely played out over the weekend. I think because of that, we're going to be looking at the market being down quite a bit tomorrow because basically good old Trump is talking about bombing Iran again on Twitter. So all of the indices are down right now.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, all the indices are down right now. Does not look good.
Yeah, everything's down, including
yeah.
Bitcoin.
The NASDAQ is bouncing off of the 7,000. Is 70,000 or 7,000?
The Nasdaq's at 29K right now.
Why does it say the QQQ Trust is at 704?
Oh, is that a micro contract?
Yes, and the S&P, the SPY is at 735, and the Dow is at DIA is at 492.
Yeah, because it's a portion of the contract. It's not the whole thing.
Yeah,
Right.
and right now on StockTwits, dude, the number one trending is Bitcoin. 77,150.
Oh yeah, people are flipping out right now. They're like, I can't believe I got tricked again. Because their buddies and everybody they say we're into crypto. And then they're really not into crypto. I'm gonna actually get real with you guys here. A lot of these guys who like to brag about crypto and stuff, most likely they're not profitable and they're actually doing this to stroke their own ego, right? Because they like having people reach out, have their friends be like, "Oh, you're the Bitcoin expert. I need to know what your opinion is," and they love this. So what do? They go on YouTube. They Google their favorite YouTuber. It certainly isn't Manic Money Finance, because if they did follow the channel, make sure you actually like and follow and subscribe. They would be knowing that we called this. We told you it was going down. But they listen to all the, I'm not going to name any names, but I mean, we can name one name because that person doesn't exist anymore. But it's like as if your homie is watching BitBoy Crypto and he's a crypto expert. So if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. Shout out to all the BitBoy Crypto fans. That ended pretty bad, didn't it? But yeah, they just like to be considered a know-it-all, or yeah, it's not even about making money, it's just about them being right. I think there's a lot of people like that out there, Mike, right?
Yeah.
You know.
And it's like it's more than that. You have to look at the actual concrete news with Bitcoin. Like for instance, BlackRock just sold $317 million worth of Bitcoin on Friday.
And we didn't even need to know that piece of news, Mike, to know that was going down, because all we did was look at, oh, there's an inefficiency there. There's a high degree of probability that that inefficiency is going to fill. That's it. It
Yep.
wasn't anything else.
And BlackRock does not sell Bitcoin pointedly. They only sell it to equalize the dollar values of the fund. So whatever cash is in their Bitcoin ETF, they sell Bitcoin to match or buy Bitcoin to match that cash value or volume into the fund.
Right?
Yeah, because they still own $65 billion worth of Bitcoin.
But when you see pieces of news like that, it's pretty much like, okay, that's confirmation that our setups playing out.
Oh, 100%.
That's really what I use the news for confirmation. I don't really enter a trade based off of a news driver. I play the setup. That's how we trade.
Yeah, I'll be honest. I started doing that more and more. That's literally why I bought Supercom. I was not interested in any of that. I was just like, okay, long term price action, everything else, gonna be good.
Let's see what the precious metal markets are doing as well.
Oh, dude,
Interesting
it's
how
been a
those.
long time since we covered silver and gold on here. Oh, damn.
Right.
Oh, damn.
But yeah, these are commodities as well. So
Make
something
sure
to
you
look at.
share it there.
Oh, damn it. I haven't been sharing this. Oh, what the heck?
No, there it is.
Unreal.
Is that the gold? Oof.
Yeah, this is XAU.
That looks like the Bitcoin chart. That's weird.
Remember we talked about this last stream? No, it wasn't last. It's been, I don't know. When did we put these lines on the chart?
It's been a
Been a
minute.
while, right? But we were talking about, we see this as a bear flag, more to the downside, right? And see, look, it kind of gave people out here. But now we created a lower low, and this is a reversing trend here. So once again, yes, we called the move for gold, and it's now looking like it's probably going to go our target, which would be 3,594. Yeah,
The thing with gold is
interesting how these work.
so gold is kind of unique because they use it in circuit boards and they use it in you know,
Electronics, same as silver.
yeah. So it's like with everything going on with AI, it's actually more likely to see this stuff flip to the upside. Dude, that is so much prettier than the Bitcoin. That is
Yes.
crazy.
Silver looks like it's set up to do some wild stuff here, guys.
And a lot of people have been talking about silver recently.
Wouldn't this be crazy? $150 silver.
Not really. Not really, because if you look at the majority of the silver trading and price action, it's been pretty like almost held down.
consistent, right? And it doesn't look as manipulated as everything else.
But it's like nowadays everything's manipulated.
Yeah, 100%. And
Yep.
that's the only reason, that's my argument to everybody who says, oh, markets aren't rigged. You can't time the markets. This crap, you know. My argument is, how are we able to predict with such a high degree probability? You guys see it every time when we're on stream. If it was random, just buying and selling pressure, you wouldn't be able to do that.
Not only
Right?
that, dude, we're calling Bitcoin, which is crazy. Bitcoin is one of the most unstable, volatile assets that has ever existed. We
It's the
call
most
it
manipulated.
8 to 9 times out of 10.
That's why. It's because it's the most manipulated of all of them. Once you understand the game, you flip it upside down, flip it on its head, flip it and reverse it. You know? That's what you gotta do. Just counter trade your emotions.
Right?
Because we're all retail traders at heart. Trust me. You
yeah.
you have to be a retail trader to get to this point. Meaning you have to lose money.
An insufferable bull.
Right?
Buy and hope it goes up. Almost every time. And we've been shorting and we've been killing it on shorting.
Yeah, and that seems, you know, that's the trend. We're not fighting the trend. Notice we've taken some longs, but honestly, we're not longing as much as we're shorting because the trend is down. We've been calling the trend for like months, telling you it's going down. Don't fight the trend. If you fight the trend, I mean, it's not going to work out for you.
100%.
Microphone got unplugged.
Bitcoin is down to 77. Looks like it's about to plummet below that level right now.
Yep, so short's in the money. Right? On the short here. I wish I could say it's more complicated, guys. It's really not that complicated. Like this, you're not a genius if you know how to trade, right? There's literally kindergarteners that do this that are better than you, better than me, right? So trading's not complicated. Stop making trading like this complicated thing that, like, oh, you have to be like a rocket scientist to be able to do this. No, actually, the more dumb you are, the better you are. The less you know, the better.
Yeah, I mean, at the same token, if you're lifetime positive, you are in the top 20%. You are the 80th percentile. That's something. Give
And that
yourself
tells you,
a pat on the back.
right? And that tells you something right there. There's always exit liquidity. There'll always be somebody dumb enough to long right now. You know, like, oh, it's going back up to all-time highs. I'm going to take a long. I'm just going to hold it.
I can't even imagine. Oh,
Full port long, dude.
if you're looking at this chart right now and you think, "Oh, I need to buy more," like, not financial advice. That's crazy.
Right? And if you're dollar cost averaging, that's a completely different thing.
Yep.
So, and that's part of like the thing to get yourself started. Obviously, that's not financial advice. I'm just going over what I did. Familiarize yourself with the markets to understand how they move and then actually get some skin in the game. The best way I would do, if I were to start off trading again, was to just dollar cost average, meaning every time I get my paycheck, I set a certain amount of money aside that day, and I don't care whether the markets are up or down. I'm not going to try to time anything. I'm just going to open up the app or brokerage or exchange, I'm gonna hit the buy Bitcoin for $400. You know, like $400 every paycheck. You know, every 2 weeks or something like that, and then do that consistently over a year, consistently through the bear market, consistently through the Bitcoin winter, and then with enough discipline, enough patience, you're going to win. I can't say it's guaranteed because nothing's guaranteed, but you're damn near guaranteed if you have enough patience to you're gonna win, right? Even if you were dumb enough to buy the top of Bitcoin last cycle at $50,000, shouldn't call you dumb. That's not nice. But if you were to buy the top of the market and you had just held, you would have done, you would have doubled your money.
Dude,
You know?
Bitcoin just lost 77 underneath that. That is
Yeah, we're making money in the trades, right? We're doing this every single live stream that we got. You can't fake this, right? How do you fake? You can't fake this. This is live time. This is not like, oh, I reversed the chart. Obviously, look up here. You know, if you have the rewind button, this line here, right, exists. So, and it says replay. So this is not a replay, guys. This is live time. This is live time, live trade.
beautiful.
And you'll
It's trying to regain the 77,000 right now, but I think with the Asian markets taking over, this is basically just a fake out, and you're gonna see a massive downside. How ugly the chart is.
I mean, it's just filling more inefficiencies. So it just does this. Like, once you see it, you can't unsee it. That's the beauty of this. You can't unsee it, guys. Right? See that? Comes up midway point and just psh,
Yeah,
it's everywhere. It's literally sitting right in front of your face. It's everywhere. See how this one closes, but we've left a gap here as well. Convenient.
all right. Might see a bump in the Monday, but usually when Bitcoin drops over the weekend, the futures drop to meet it. Liquidity there or something, because you don't see that to the other side. Usually the Bitcoin price will drop on Sunday night to meet the CME. Do you have
Right
the
to
CME chart open?
Yeah, let's bring that up.
Yeah, that'd be interesting. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Right. Gap down. What the daily chart here is doing.
CMEs are
Yeah,
open right now.
look at that. It left us a liquidity void.
Yeah, yeah.
We'll see if it comes back up into here, but right now we have a big old gap. And it's on the daily, so that's something. It'll leave this inefficiency. It's gonna tank really hard, but then it'll leave this inefficiency to come back up to later.
We'll run again.
Right? Oh yeah, that'll be one of their little gaps that they leave. But see how this one, same thing. It's been paying us for like the last month, this big old gap that we've been playing off of.
Oh yeah.
A money machine, it's the ATM. Your own little personal ATM.
you thinking, bro? We've been talking about an hour.
Yeah, I mean, I think that covers pretty much a lot of that.
Yeah,
Of
I did not have a lot for the stock market. I get a lot of time to do.
yeah, I mean, you don't need to do a lot of research.
No. Anybody who watched the live stream on Friday, you already know I put myself in a stress-free situation the weekend.
Yep, and that's key.
I'm chilling until tomorrow morning at 5 a.m.
Nice,
Oh, yeah. So cook a ribeye, mushroom.
nice. I'm gonna make some lasagna.
Really?
Lasagna,
How,
yeah,
how many layers, bro?
as I can get.
you got lasagna noodles like sausage or meatballs,
Oh yeah, like grass-fed beef. You know,
mozzarella.
mozzarella and the ricotta cheese. Ba-ba-da-da.
Those two.
Yeah, all of them.
Nice,
Throw
nice.
some like fucking peppers in there too.
Okay, that's different. Like it.
Right? I love it, dude. Some green chili. Now we're talking.
Okay, a little Tex-Mex action.
Now we're talking, essay. I come from Albuquerque, Holmes.
Yep, yep. That's different. Did you boil your noodles already, or?
No, it's only like 5:40 now. Got some
Ah,
time.
okay. Yeah. Yeah, see, it's like
Yeah,
almost
about
9
8.
o'clock here, so I'm just like gonna fry up a steak and bake some asparagus. I already sauteed the onions.
Oh yeah, that's how to do it.
Yeah.
I typically saute 2 onions for one steak.
Ooh.
That's great. Two.
Are you
I like a boatload of onions.
are you talking
Giant boatload.
the big Vidalias or?
Just probably like an onion like that.
Oh, dude, I'm doing like 4 or
The
5.
onion. Chop it up.
Dude, 4 or
And
5s with the mushrooms too.
nice. And jalapenos. Fresh jalapenos.
I
That's the
never even
go-to.
thought of that, bro.
I love the fresh jalapenos with the mushrooms and the onions. It's like my usual go-to topping of the steak.
Damn, my mind is blown right now, bro. Like we don't get fresh jalapenos up here.
Yeah, the jalapenos up there, I remember they're not even spicy.
No,
Like what the heck? They're
no,
not
it's
jalapenos.
crazy. Like they don't get enough sun.
Yeah, that's what it is, dude.
That's
You get jalapeno out here, you're like, what the heck? Like this is what it's supposed to be like, you know?
oh man. Yep. You just started something, bro. Next time I have a steak, I'm gonna be sautéing up some jalapenos with those mushrooms.
That's a go-to right there.
Yeah, no, no, that's. I feel like I just missed out on stuff in life.
There's always time.
True, true that, true that. So when do you think we're gonna stream again? The viewers.
Oh no, what are you thinking? What are you doing tomorrow night?
That's
'Cause
what
I
I
got
was thinking,
climbing
man.
Tuesday
Yeah.
and I got climbing Thursday.
So you're good tomorrow night?
Yeah,
Even if
pretty good.
even if it's a short stream, they get to see another trade play out tomorrow night with the Bitcoin short, and they get to see how my Supercom trade plays out. Even if it's bad,
Nice.
I'm gonna put it up there. I do not care.
Yeah, it's all about learning and being transparent. I think that really helps me a lot. Um
Yeah, we're
because
holding
it keeps
ourselves
hold you
accountable to the viewers.
yeah, you're holding yourself accountable, and that's the biggest thing. And if you're not doing that, then you're going to get wrecked. It's only a matter of time.
Yeah, because most people don't have a live streaming channel like this where we're posting all of our trades in real time and we're showing you exactly where they go.
Yeah, you can't fake it, right? We're
Nope.
literally doing this in real time.
Yeah, no, that'd be good. Yeah. What do you think? 7 p.m., 4 p.m. your time?
Yeah, it works. I
Maybe,
should be all set and home from work.
maybe a little later.
Yeah,
No worries.
I ain't, I ain't stressing.
Me neither. Cause I got to shave tomorrow. I couldn't do it today. I was crawling through an attic all day, just like I told you.
Yeah,
I got fiberglass on my freaking head, dude.
damn,
Oh yeah.
that's the
I I didn't come across a raccoon or a squirrel, so.
fight them off.
Yeah, dude, it's not good when you're in that situation. You're basically like, cause you're crawling around, you're basically on the same level.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, not much you can do. You know,
Punch
headbutt
them.
the thing.
Yeah, you
Boom.
yeah, grab something, anything.
Grab it and throw it. You
Yeah.
know,
Oh, dude, if you're in that situation, like you're
you're gonna get
already.
bit.
Oh yeah,
You're
yeah,
gonna get bit. You might as well just grab the thing and huck it against the wall. You know,
yeah.
that's not nice,
Yep. I mean, dude, it's survival at that point, you know.
right? Yeah, I mean, a lot of people get killed by raccoons a year, so you can never be too careful,
It only takes one rabid animal.
right?
uh, yeah. So good times. I made
Oh
it.
yeah.
Oh,
Well, I'm gonna get some food. I think that's a good place to leave it off.
yeah,
Well,
brother.
lead us with the outro.
Oh yeah. This has been Manic Money Finance. Killing it
I'm
once
Money Mike.
again.
I'm Money Mike, and
I'm Crypto Corey.
make sure you like and subscribe. Give us a follow. Let us know in the comments how we're doing. We'll see you tomorrow, guys. 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.